Hi, this is Butch Zemar, and this is video 3 of a 7-part series of 7 biggest mistakes that people make when they purchase their own health insurance. Today, I'm going to talk about pre-existing conditions. A lot of people blame the insurance company on a lot of pre-existing clauses that are out there, but if you read a little bit further, the insurance laws that were set up by the Department of Insurance allow some of these pre-existing clauses to take place. The biggest thing is most people have some type of health conditions that are out there, and even the most common ones, people go to these biggest carriers, or branded name carriers should I say, and all of a sudden they sign up and they have this 12-month pre-existing clause, and a lot of times the broker or agent never told them about it, and they go to make the first claim and they found out it's being denied because of pre-existing conditions. So the biggest thing is you want to look for a policy that has the shortest look back, usually 6 to 12 months. Sometimes it could go to 24 months, but even better than that, find carriers. There's a few out there, and there's a few really good carriers out there that they have what's called a pre-existing clause that, in a nutshell, not word for word, but if it's disclosed on the application and it doesn't produce a separate exclusion on the policy, it's covered from day one. So some of these conditions might include a small rate-up on the premiums, but they're going to cover from day one. Some of them just might not be an issue as long as you disclose it. So they want you to be honest, but the biggest thing that people run into is they'll switch policies. They'll get a 12-month waiting period on pre-existing. They'll find out at the time of claim it could be 2, 3, 4 months into the policy. They get all upset. They cancel the policy after they move to another carrier, and then they realize that within the first few months they go out and make another claim. They're starting that 12-month cycle all over again. So it's a big rat race that comes in. So you have to become a little bit more knowledgeable. Instead of blaming the insurance company, just work with a health insurance expert. Find a carrier that has a pre-existing clause that if it's disclosed in the application and it's not excluded in the policy, that way you know that your pre-existing condition is going to be covered. So you don't have to worry about 12-month waiting periods or anything like that. So this will ultimately save you a lot of money on your health insurance, because if you have it covered from day one, your copays start kicking in for exams, lab work, as well as anything that major would occur that you would have to apply towards your deductible. So hopefully this was helpful for you.